Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, back at another video. Today I'm going to show you how to receive Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this is completely free for you to receive. Whoever's sending the Bitcoin will probably have to pay a small minor fee, which is usually like $1 or less, so not a big deal, but you're able to receive essentially unlimited Bitcoin for free, and you won't have to pay any fees or anything like that as the person that's receiving the Bitcoin. So there's two ways to do this on Cash App. It kind of depends on how the person that's sending the Bitcoin wants to send it. If the person sending is another Cash App user, all you need to do is tap your icon in the top right corner, and then you need to know your Cash App username here, your cash tag. So mine is #AndyPath. You can close that out. You can see that when the person goes to send this, we can just type in like $5, tap send, and they can type in your name just like this and send it. Mine's not showing up because obviously I can't send it to myself, but that's how you can do it from one Cash App user to another. Now let's pretend the person sending doesn't have Cash App, or maybe they do have Cash App and they don't want to use the cash tag. All you need to do to receive Bitcoin, make sure you have the investing section set up in the app, and then scroll down here a little bit when you're on the Bitcoin tab, tap View Bitcoin Address. This is going to show your Bitcoin address right here, and your address is going to be the long string of letters and numbers there at the top. You can just tap the big blue copy button, and then you want to send to the person your address. Then when they go to send Bitcoin, they just type in that address, and they'll be able to send it directly to your balance here. To show how that would happen, we can tap the send icon. We'll just type like $5, tap send, paste in that address. You can see that's my address right there. Then just tap on that and go through the steps. And that's all you need to do. And you can see the fee options right here as well. So the highest is a $1.31 fee. But you can do some slower options there as well. Just gonna close that out, and there you have it, the two ways to receive Bitcoin free on Cash App. You can use your cash tag, or you can use your Bitcoin wallet address. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.